Hello everyone, today we talk about ZM405 indicator, truck in and truck out applications. First of all, I will show you how to use the scale to weigh in and weigh out the truck. Before truck on the scale, make sure the scale is 0. If not, press 0 button to 0 scale. Then drive truck on the scale. Press F1 key and enter the truck ID. Today we use 10. Press enter. It will show truck in and truck saved. Drive truck off the scale. Before truck on the scale, make sure the scale is 0. If not, press 0 button. Drive truck on the scale again. Press F1 key, enter truck ID 10, press enter key, will show truck out and print tickets. You could use sample key to reprint the tickets. Drive truck off the scale. Next, I will show you how to use store tier to weigh out the truck. Before doing that, we have to enter the truck store tier, a truck tier in the database. Press setup key. It will show add added truck. Press enter key, ask truck ID. We can use 1, enter, it show truck found. If this ID never be used, you will go straight to next step. Overwrite yes. Press Union key to change to yes. Press enter. Next question is auto truck auto. This means it will catch the weight from the truck scale right now. You have to drive the truck on the scale to catch the weight, this auto. Or you could use Union key to change to enter. This means you don't need truck on the scale. You can enter the truck weight. Like press enter key, will enter truck weight. Today we'll press give 3,000, for example. And then press enter key, will show truck saved. Next, I will show you how to weigh out this store tier truck. Before truck on the scale, press 0 button, 0 scale. Drive truck on the scale. Press F1 key. Truck ID is 1. Press enter. Will show truck out. Then print the tickets. You could show you one more. Drive truck on the scale. Press F1 key. Enter truck ID 1. Truck out. Print. It's done. Drive off the scale. Same thing, you could use sample key to reprint the tickets. Next, I will show you some function this program has. Press setup key. You could use these two keys, print key and unit key, to back and forth to choose different function. The first is edit truck. The second is print truck. If you choose this function by press print key, all the truck list in the memory will print out. This is third function called Reprint Tickets, same as press sample key. This called delete one truck is used for delete one truck in the memory. You could press 0 button, or we call enter button, to choose this function, and then enter truck ID to delete it. This called delete loop means we'll delete truck which have been way in but have not been way out yet. This called delete all, or delete all the truck in the memory. Record. This is transactions. You could use this to print all transaction, or save to USB drive, or delete that. I will show you. When this show up, press enter key, and then will be three options: print truck transactions, save transactions to USB drive, or delete all transactions. This application can save 1,000 transactions. When reach this limit, the indicator will show error message. You have to go to here to delete that. You can use F1 key to get out any setup mode. This is transaction. The next setup is setup. There's lots of options in this memory and in this application. You could choose different. When press button, password, you can choose different password, but right now one is a default password. You could take a look at these few options. Alpha ID, you want to use Alpha ID or numerical ID. Right now use Alpha ID, no. You want print way in tickets, right now is no. You want to print the header on the print way out tickets is yes. Store tail function, yes. Transaction saved to the database, yes. Printer type, you could choose tape printer, sleeve printer, or OK data printer. Right now we choose tape printer. You want to print 2 units? If some customer want kg and pound on the tickets, you could enable this. Show net mean when finish way out, the indicator will show the net weight. And info line 1 is company name, 2 maybe is address, 3 maybe is phone number. This you can change that. This is a headers offsets. You want a folder, you can put in. This folder's offsets. And minimum weight, if under minimum weight, you could not weigh in and weigh out. A new code, you can change that. After done, this will reboot back to normal weighing mode. This is all for today. If you have a question, let us know. Our phone number is 604-273-9401. Thank you. Bye-bye.